LECOM has been instrumental in the development. They are a major sponsor, a corporate sponsor, and they also provide a lot of the foundation of what the fair is about. We're talking to people in mostly their retirement age years, and they help us with information on how to maintain good health and what they might want to do now that they have opportunity to improve their health. So many times, up in the 60s, they could be pretty negligent, but as they get from 60 to 80, hopefully beyond, they need to have some sort of program. LECOM helps elevate the consciousness of what it takes to maintain and sustain good health.